Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Bricia. You can find me on Instagram, Bricia Emelin. Emelin is my middle name, not my last name. A lot of you guys don't know that, so I thought I would mention that. Today's video has been highly requested. I'm gonna be talking about my journey, and I'm also gonna be sharing some tips that can help you on your journey. Let's begin. I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory on where it all began, or how it all began. I never struggled with loving my curls. I always embraced them. I just always struggled with finding the right products for my hair. I used whatever products I found that just said curly hair. I was like, okay, this is it. So when I realized, or when I started getting into wanting to learn on my hair, was when I got into beauty school. This picture was 5 years ago. I was in beauty school, so I wanted to try different colors on my hair, and of course I ended up with really dry bleached hair. Then I was just like, I can't deal with this hair. I need to get it healthy. So that's when I started getting more into the whole Instagram thing, and I discovered Bounce Curl. Honestly, I feel like Bounce Curl saved my curls, because that was the first product that I was like, wow, like I can't believe my curls look this good. I began using the right products. My hair still wasn't healthy, so I didn't want to start off with really short hair. Of course, I wanted my hair healthy, and I was really tempted to cutting my hair really short, but I was like, no, what if I don't like it? What if I don't look good with short hair? So I slowly transitioned. It took about 2 years for my hair to completely grow out. Finally, it was somewhat healthier, and I decided to go back to blonde. So my journey hasn't been a straight journey. I did slip up a few times. So I went back to blonde. The second time that I went back to blonde, I started off with highlights, and honestly my hair wasn't dry or damaged, but I wanted to go blonder and blonder, so I did a few sessions of highlights until my hair was almost completely blonde. By that time, my hair was starting to feel dry, so then I was like, no, I'm just gonna go back to my natural color. I want my hair to just feel healthy again. So now I'm here. I'm still not where I want to be. I want longer, I want fuller hair, but I'm getting there. I'm closer to my hair goals. I just want longer hair, and it just seems like it's taking forever for my hair to grow out, but that's only because I'm trying to get rid of all the old color. Okay, so now I'm gonna share tips that will help you on your journey. I wrote a list so I don't forget to cover anything. There is one thing that I'm missing. Oh, okay, so the first one on my list is avoid heat. You're transitioning. That is what got your hair damaged to begin with. I mean, I still tend to use a little bit of heat in my hair when I'm diffusing. I diffuse on low heat, but I do take breaks from diffusing. The next one is learn your hair. Find out your porosity, your density, and your curl type. So once you learn your hair, you will know what products work for you. And of course, you want to always make sure you read the ingredients. Make sure that the products you're using don't have harmful ingredients, such as sulfates, parabens, silicones, all of that. The next one is trim your hair. You want to trim or dust your ends every 3 to 4 months. So dusting is Simply trimming whatever needs to be taken off your length. So if this is all you need to cut off, that's all you need to cut off. You don't always have to cut inches off your hair to trim it. Next one is deep conditioning. You want to deep condition at least once a week. If your hair is very dry, do it twice a week. You want to find deep conditioners that have protein in them. If your hair is already healthy, you can still use protein, just don't use it all the time. You want to give your hair a break from protein. Next one is shampoos. Let's talk about shampoos. It's important that you clarify, use clarifying shampoos because we're applying all these products in our hair, so that's going to cause buildup eventually if you're not clarifying. Only clarify when you need to. And then you also want to use moisturizing shampoos. The last one, this is probably the most important one. Well, to me, it's very important. Eat healthy. Drink lots of water. Your health is very important because beauty and health comes from within. So if you're healthy, your hair is going to be healthy, you know? That's where we get all our vitamins. And also make sure your mental health is on point. You know, stress can be very detrimental. Also, it takes patience. Like I said, the journey is not going to be easy, but you will get there eventually and it'll be worth it. I'm also planning on posting an updated curly hair routine video. The one that I have on my channel is like from 2-3 years ago. So I plan on making a more detailed video on how I style my hair. So stay tuned for that. I completely forget about what I'm gonna say. Anyways, oh, I'm also gonna post products that I'm also gonna post my go-to products down in the description box. So if you guys want to take a look at those. And just keep in mind that in your journey, you're gonna have bad hair days. Like right now, my hair was not cooperating. It's so flat in the back. I did air dry today. I usually diffuse. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of me and my videos. See you next time.